Welcome to Pablo Auto Repair, guys. I have a 2013 Hyundai Accent 1.6 the engine. I am changing the catalytic converter. I already have the new one, and uh, it's not too it's not too hard job. You can start and disconnect the battery. I didn't, but it's good for you disconnect just in case. Disconnect the battery and remove the cover. It's easier, only lift it up, pull up, and yeah, it's coming out. I need to put it here. Oh, okay. Is right there, the catalytic converter. Okay, the first thing you need, disconnect the let me see if you can see the is right there, the oxygen sensor. The wiring is going there, and it's very easy to disconnect the let me see. Okay, the connector is this one, the black one. It's very easy. Only you need to push the clip, push it and pull up easy, and the connector, only you need to remove it. You need to push up to back up, and the is coming out. Very easy, remove it. And you need to lift it up for this little bracket. Very simple. And then I use this, and using this special for the oxygen sensor, and very easy. Break loose. I did it. I already did, and it's almost out. Let me see. Okay, you see, it's out, the oxygen sensor. I use this, and now I need to remove 3 bolts. This one, and that one for the cover. In English I don't know how to say it, but in Spanish is for the calor del I don't know how to explain it, but okay, this is just the cover. Okay, I'm going to remove it. This 3 bolt is 10 socket, 10 millimeter socket. Okay, and the remove the other oxygen, just the wiring. The wiring is connected here, the cover. Okay, only you need to remove the, maybe you can see, but it's very simple. Remove the cover, the wiring. Oxygen sensor is right there, the oxygen sensor. Just remove the wiring for the cover. Is holding like this, and very easy. Okay, I'm going to remove that 3 bolt, and I'll be back. Okay, I already removed the 3 bolt and the cover. The cover is out there. Beautiful. Okay, now has a has 9 bolt. Show you, has 4. Let me see, put here. Okay, the base has 4 2 4 6 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 volt. You see, it has exactly right here, and very simple to remove it. Okay, I'm going to take it off. It's 10 millimeter socket, and remove the nut. The original have a stud. Stud here. Entonces I need to remove the nut with the is 19 millimeter. I am going to use, you see, this exactly like this, two extension, and this is the, I don't know how to say the the adapter. The socket is this one, and this one is, I don't know, Borjon. No, not Borjon. And I don't know how to say this one, but I am going to use this to remove the nut for this. Okay, I'm going to remove it, and I'll be back. You see the ball are right there, but I'll be back. Okay, and I need to remove the other. Almost I forgot. Has one ball here. I'm going right there and remove it. Okay, it's very simple. I don't need to go with my cell phone and show you in the lifetime life. So at the same time I remove it, I don't need it to show you because it's very simple. Okay, I'm going to remove this and that one too. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, I already removed the nut for the base. I already removed it, and let me see. And okay, is the nut is removed from here too. For the pipe, flexible pipe, I just push the flexible pipe, push it back, and I disconnect from the stud. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. It's it's not remove the it's not necessary to remove the second oxygen sensor. Okay, this is the bank 2, and okay, it's disconnect from here, from the pipe, and I remove the bolt, the nut for the base, and it's ready to coming out. Okay, let me see. Maybe I can take it out from one, just with one hand. I'm trying. With two hands it's very easy, but let me see. Let me do something. Just one moment. Yeah. I don't know if I can with just one hand. Yeah. Let me see. A little complicated. Okay. I'm trying with just one hand. And let me see. Oh man. I need my two hands. Maybe I can help with my other finger. Let me see. Okay, that is coming. It's coming out. Let me see. I need a spindle. Okay, you see, it's coming out this way. Beautiful. With just one hand, it's complicated. But remember, it's coming like this. a little twist like this. Ah, yeah, it's something like this. It's going out. It's coming out. Okay. Ay, 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 I got it. Okay, then I have it, the new one gasket. I have it, the new one. I need to remove this. Let me see. I don't know if you can see, but I have it, the new one. I need to clean the area and clean the pipe, and is okay. I need to clean this area. I need to clean the this area too, but it's not too dirty, I see. Okay, guys, I think so. I don't need to explain you to put in back the new one. That to put the new one is just, well, the same process to remove it, to take it out. And I need to remove this ball. This is I don't know what is the name in English, but I need to put this in the new one, and that's it. And clean the area and putting the new one. I need to put the oxygen sensor. Okay, but it's very easy. And I put the new step here. The new step. You see, here are the new gasket. Here is the the pipe gasket from here, and I need to put the new step. Yeah, very easy. Okay, guys, and oh, this bowl, I said before to remove it, I said okay, it's 10 millimeter, but not, it's not, it's 14 millimeter. Okay, yeah, that one is just you see, I disconnect from here, but I laid down the car because it was hard when was uh, up the car. It was hard to remove it. This is a little incommodate, but I lay down to, I put in normally to get it that one. Okay, bye. And okay, guys, I need to put the stop in the new one and put it back. Okay, I think so. It's not necessary explain you. Just the reverse. You need to put the reverse or the the thing, and it's not complicated. Okay, guys. I need to finish soon as possible this job because I have other car. Okay, guys. Hopefully this video help you, and see you next time.